Okay, so we have another type of equations, because we could never have too many types of equations. So this time we need to combine like terms before we can do anything. Okay, so typically the order of equations, if there are parentheses, you need to distribute first. If there's no parentheses, then you could skip to the second step, which is combining like terms. Okay, so remember we said combine means to add, and like terms means they have the same variable. Okay, so looking at A, 3x minus 10 plus 4x equals 5x minus 7. So it's important to know that there are two sides to the equations because you cannot combine like terms across the equal sign. So the left side is one side and then the right side is a separate side. Okay, so looking at the left side, we have 3x minus 10 plus 4x. So we do have a set of x's. We have 3x and 4x. We could add those together to get 10x. And then we could bring down our minus 10. Okay, if we look at the right-hand side, we have 5x minus 7. There's nothing that can be combined, so we're just going to rewrite that. Okay, now we're in our variables on both sides, so we can add or subtract the number with the variable. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides, and then I'm left with negative 10 equals negative 2x minus 7. So now I'm in my two-step equation, so I can add or subtract the number without the variable. Okay, so I'm going to add 7 to each side, and I get negative 3 equals negative 2x, and then my last step is still going to be divide. So I'm divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, and I end up with an answer of x equals 1.5. Okay. Looking at B, 4x plus 5 minus 3x equals 2x plus 8. So looking at the left-hand side, I have 4x and negative 3x. I can combine those, 4 plus negative 3, to give me 1x. And then I can bring down my plus 5. On the right-hand side, I have 2x plus 8. There is nothing that can be combined, so I'm just going to rewrite it. And then we are done with step 2, and we could take a look at step 3. Add or subtract the number with the variable. So I'm going to subtract 1x from each side. Get 5 equals 1x plus 8. I am in my two-step equation, so I could go ahead and subtract 8 from each side. Get negative 3 equals 1x. And then the last step, I'm going to divide by 1, so x equals negative 3. Okay, taking a look at C. We have 3x minus 25 equals 11x minus 5 plus 2x. So looking at my left-hand side, 3x minus 25, I don't have anything that needs to be combined. On the right-hand side, I have 11x minus 5 plus 2x. I can combine my 11x and my 2x. That gives me 13x, and then bring down my minus 5. Okay, so I combine my like terms. Now I need to add or subtract the number with the variable. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Left with negative 25 equals 13x minus 3 is 10x minus 5. And then we have add or subtract the number without the variable because we're in our two-step equation. So I'm going to add 5 to each side. So negative 25 plus 5 gives you 20 equals 10x. And then our last step is to divide. So x equals negative 2. Okay, make sure you get that into your notes.